What's up everybody, my name's Andy and welcome back to Kit Guru. So today we're going to be checking out something I've never seen before. Glasses! They help you see things, and that's about it. So end of video. Cheers guys, see you later. In all seriousness though, we are looking at glasses today, but not just any old glasses. These are for people that don't even need prescription glasses, and even if you do, then you're covered. But before we go on, whether you're a regular viewer or a new one to our channel, we strive to make excellent tech content for you, and if you like to support us, then please hit that subscribe button below. Gunnar make glasses aimed at gamers, but I'd say they're really for anyone that spends prolonged amount of time in front of screens in our modern digital age, as they aim to reduce eye strain, improve comfort and focus, all whilst protecting your eyes. Now, I jumped at the chance of testing these out when Overclockers UK offered to send us some samples over to us here at Kit Guru. I myself have incredibly sensitive eyes, so bright lights like this one up here, or of any kind, make my eyes strain and cause me headaches. In the evening, I can't even have the main lights on, and at night it needs to be completely pitch black, and staring at screens all day makes my eyes sore and my head tight. Now this is incredibly inconvenient since I spend probably about 10 hours or more a day staring at PC screens, camera screens, TV screens, laptop screens. My other issue is sleep, so I found it incredibly hard to sleep at night. When I heard all of this discomfort could be avoided, I was ready to give it a go, and I must admit I was pretty skeptical, to be honest. Now there's a couple major issues that present themselves when staring at screens for more than a few hours. First of all, your eyes are straining to focus on things that are very close to them. Computer screens, for example, are very close to us, and your eyes have to work extra hard to focus closely. The other major issue is blue light. Now you may have seen on modern devices there is a night mode, and this dims your screen as well as makes it slightly yellow, and this is to minimize blue light emission, as blue light tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, no matter what time it really is, and it throws your body clock out of the window and causes you sleeping problems along with dry eyes and headaches and everything else basically. All of these symptoms are classic signs of digital eye strain. Now one of the founders of Gunnar had these exact issues and was diagnosed with digital eye strain and set out to find a solution to the problem, and they've done just that. Gunnar Glasses is the only patented gaming and computer eyewear recommended by doctors in the US because of their patented lenses. There are a variety of lenses on offer that measure protection with blue light protection factor, or BLPF. So the clear lenses they offer have a BLPF of 35, and these are the lower end of protection. Amber lenses offer up to 65 BLPF, and these are the optimal protection. And there's also sun lenses with a BLPF of 90 for sunlit conditions, and also Amber Max that has a BLPF of 98 aimed at those that work through the night. Now I myself have been using these glasses with amber lenses, so these have a rating of 65. Since I wear prescription glasses, I must inform you that Gunnar were kind enough to make me a review sample with my prescription so that I could make a fair review, because obviously I wouldn't recommend them because I wouldn't be able to see through them. So along with the BLPF blue light protection, these glasses are designed to aid focusing on up-close screens to minimize that strain even more, along with minimizing glare and preventing dry eyes. Along with the range of lens options, there's also an absolute ton of frame options, so you can choose any style that suits your face or that you just like the look of. I myself chose these ones, which are the Intercept design, as the frames are almost identical to my Oakley's, so I knew that I'd like the style of them. The glasses come in a small box with a brilliant glasses case inside. This is very sturdy, has a nice design, and assures you that your glasses are going to be protected, but bear in mind these only come with the prescription models, but you can purchase the case separately for around 12 euros. Inside is a carry pouch, which you get with all the glasses, and a lens cleaning cloth, which also comes with them too. The frame is excellently made, very good quality. It's lightweight design with no rough areas in sight. It has metal hinges with metal Gunnar logos on either side of the arms. The clamping force is fairly high on my pair, and after maybe 5 or 6 hours, they start to feel a little bit tight, but this is exactly what happens to my Oakley glasses, which are pretty much identical in design, so I think choosing a different frame would actually get around that. But it didn't bother me too much. I mean, just take them off, give yourself 15 minutes and then you're fine. Here's a couple other frame samples we have to show you so that you can see the variations between the different frames that are available. If you buy these from a retailer like Overclockers UK, they will not be prescription, so these are best for people that don't already wear glasses. It also brings the price down too, but we'll discuss pricing later as there are a few variables. We have the Emery design here, and these have more of a clear lens type. So these are 35 BLPF, and we also have the funky torpedo design too, and these are actually interchangeable. So you not only get the 65 BLPF amber lenses, but you also get 90 BLPF, and this is with the 100% UV sun lenses, along with 3 customizable nose bridges, but bear in mind there are many more designs available too. I wanted to really test these out for a prolonged amount of time to ensure that I gave enough time to see if I notice a difference, rather than rush my opinions, and as such I've been using these daily for about 4 to 5 weeks. As I mentioned, these are prescription models with these 65 BLPF lenses. These amber lenses of course tint everything with a yellowy green hue, and the first time that I put them on, it did bug me a little, but at the same time, I instantly felt my eyes straining less, and I quickly became used to the color. It's honestly almost instantaneous relief. I've been using these when writing reviews, scripts, filming B-roll, long gaming sessions on the PC, gaming on the PS4, on the TV, and even watching movies. I've tried to put them to the test in every way that I can imagine, and it's strange because these have the exact same prescription as my regular glasses, but these Gunnar ones actually seem a bit clearer, and I think that's because they're designed to help you focus up close, as well as having their anti-reflective coating for crisper detail, as they say. One thing that does annoy me a little bit with the Intercept model is the fact that in the top left lens is the word Gunnar printed on them, and I do find this a little bit distracting. I often mistake the logo for a smudge on the lens, but not all their glasses come with this, and to be fair, it's only a mild gripe. After using these for the sort of 4 to 5 week mark, I can safely say that my digital eye strain has completely gone. So after over 15 years of staring at screens with regular headaches and terrible sleeping patterns, I get to sleep much easier now, and I also feel more rested and ready for bed when the time comes. I don't have dry eyes or feel the strain after a whole day of staring at screen. So basically everything that they claim these will do for you, they've achieved, and I thought that after the first 2 weeks, it might just be a placebo effect. So for 2 days straight, I wore my usual glasses, but by the end of each day, I was straight back to where I started. Once I went back to the Gunnar glasses, I felt so much better again already. So what about pricing? Well, there's no set price for Gunnar glasses, as it all depends on the frame style, the lenses, and whether or not you get a prescription model or not. Let's head over to Overclockers UK to show you some of the examples. You can see kids versions here as well, so that's really cool. From the £25 to £35 mark, adult versions going from £45 all the way up to £100. Now, Overclockers UK have a great selection of frames and lens choices too, so there is definitely a style to fit everyone. If you need a prescription pair though, be prepared to fork out €220 or more on their EU store, so approximately £200. Now that is a lot, but if you went to an optician's and brought a branded frame with the best protective anti-reflection lenses plus your prescription, you're easily looking at £150 to £200 anyway. So do I think these justify the price? Yeah, I actually do, as I've suffered from eye strain and headaches and lack of sleep for so long that these are a worthwhile investment, in my eyes at least. So whether you're paying £45 for the cheapest pair or getting prescription models, I'd recommend anyone to try them if they can, especially if you're using screens for over 5 hours or more a day. Finally, if you are a graphics designer, artist or editor, you can even get crystalline lenses to edit in true color instead of having these sort of weird tinted ones, but they are much more expensive. So it's funny because something so boring as glasses has actually turned my world around. It's improved my working hours and my downtimes playing games or watching movies with my wife. I'd recommend everyone to try them if you can, because you don't know what you're missing until you've actually given them a go. Now, those with sensitive eyes like myself, I implore you to go and grab a pair. So what do you guys think of of the Gunnar glasses. Have you tested them before? Let us know down in the comments below. If you've liked this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe, ring the notification bell, check our merchandise out down below, and don't forget to check out our website daily for tech news. I'm Andy, this is Kit Guru, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.